Okay, so let's look at this equation. We are to make k the subject, right? So looking at where k is, the k is covered by a square root sign. So for us to have access to that k, we need to open the door, take the square root out. Now how do you do that? We do the reverse operation, that is squaring both sides. So whatever you have done to the left must be done to the right. So we have 1 on n all squared should be equal to square root of k squared plus a squared all on h chain all squared. So since the reverse of square root is squared, the square will cancel the square root, giving us access to the k. So 1 squared will still give us 1, and the n squared will give us n squared. Now we now have k squared plus a squared all on h chain. So in our earlier lesson we said that when you have a fraction, right, you need to eliminate the fraction to make it easier for you to make whatever you have to make the subject, right? So with this, since both sides are fraction, we can cross multiply as well, right? So I'm going to use the n squared to multiply k squared plus a squared, and then 1 to multiply the h g. So to do that, we have n squared into bracket k squared plus a squared equals, then 1 multiplied by hg will give us what? hg. So for us to be able to get access to the k, we need to expand this bracket, binomial expansion or monomial expansion. So n squared multiplied by k squared is n squared k squared plus n squared multiplied by a squared will give us n squared a squared, all equals hg. Right, so the term that contains the k is n squared k squared. So we have to eliminate whatever is attached to it. So we are going to have to do that, have n squared k squared, then we subtract n squared a squared from this, and that will give us 0, and then we subtract it from the right hand side as well. So that will be minus n squared a squared. Right, so you can see that there is n squared attached to the case k. So we need to eliminate that by dividing both sides by n squared. So let's do that. So we are going to have n squared k squared divided by n squared, which is equal to hg minus n squared a squared divided by n squared. So we are going to have k squared equals hg minus n squared a squared all on n squared. We are looking for k, so we need to eliminate the square, and the inverse of square is square root, so we introduce square root to both sides. So we are going to have square root of k squared to be equal to square root of h g minus n squared a squared all on n squared. Then this square will cancel the square root. So our k will be equal to square root of n hg minus n squared a squared all on n squared. Thank you for watching. Bye.